What's going on, everybody? Today I have a quick one. I wanted to talk about statements made by Trevor Packer saying that AP exams and AP classes will now be easier. Is that true? Or is he lying? I really don't know. And as you guys know, the College Board has a history and a propensity to, let's say, have alternate facts. Yeah, what do they call that? Fake news? Let's get into it. So Trevor Packer, as you know, is the leader, I guess the president of AP at College Board. And he's been very communicative on his Twitter account, shout out Twitter, for the past few months, especially during the pandemic, trying to help students, trying to lead them in the right direction, whatever the case may be. He actually penned a blog on Medium, which is a blog site, if any of you know what that is. First thing I asked was, why on Medium? That was just so random, but I guess it has good traffic, you know? So he pens this blog and he says APs need to be easier this year. And I read that headline and I was like, what does that mean? You know what I mean? Come on, bruh. But I was like, yeah, what? Like, that's just, you know, that's so not College Board to say. So I looked a little bit deeper. I read the article. I'll link the article below so you guys can see it. But basically he said that students are going to need more support and that he was kind of shouting out his own services, his own videos, a College Board. Oh, we got new videos. Come on, check them out. So new College Board videos that are about, you know, AP classes, and they're going to be educating you instead of your teacher. So basically, if your class is hybrid model or you're doing school online, they're going to be able to, you know, add a little sprinkle salt day on top and make you guys more successful on the APs. I think what they're looking at, if we read between the lines, is that they want to give APs that are similar in difficulty to years past, but they don't know if your school is going to be keeping up or being able to keep up with the curriculum. So I think they're concerned, right? And they're addressing that concern, and I guess thankfully addressing that concern by giving you guys supplemental learning experiences like videos and stuff like that so that you can learn on your own. And that's the expectation, and that's, I think, the valid point here, and the important point is that if you read between the lines of what Trevor Packer is saying, he's saying that basically you gotta learn the stuff on your own, somehow, some way. We will help you, it's gonna be provided for you, but if you don't learn it in school, that doesn't mean you're relieved of the responsibility for the AP. And I think that brings up a valid second point, which is like, will colleges and high schools be giving students the benefit of the doubt or cutting them some slack? I think some will and some won't. And I think one place where you'll not be cut slack is on the AP exams. And that's what it looks like Trevor Packer is saying. Now, my next question is, you know, how high quality is this content going to be? And what does that do to the companies that do provide AP prep? Does that damage them? Do you need them? What do we do? So I think one thing I've always drawn back to would be like the College Board books for the SAT, and they're like free materials. Are they useful? Are they good? Yeah, totally. But is that the end all be all of your preparation for a test? I would be lying to you if I said you could roll with only College Board stuff and feel confident with that. Now, yeah, if you're a great test taker and you're a great self-studier, you should be able to figure out the AP content on your own. But if you do want to rely on something, I would definitely take a look at their stuff. Probably good, but you may want to also seek outside help from your teacher or watch some other videos or what, you know, whatever the case may be. I know you have a lot of YouTube channels you can watch, educate yourself and learn about it. So I guess my conclusion is, don't rest this year. You cannot believe that the APs themselves, the exams themselves, are going to be easier. If anything, they may actually be harder, and you're going to have less school time to learn the information in. So my suggestion is you do pay attention to what information they're putting out, and you do try to improve your knowledge before they come up, because once we hit April, there's going to be no time left and cramming isn't good. So that's my general advice today, guys. Watch out for more information from the AP guys, Trevor Packer and so on and so forth. I guess we'll continue to get updates on that, but just want to shoot you guys this quick video so you can see and learn what they said about APs in school this year. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace.